Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So I'm really excited about today's video. I am going to get semi-permanent lashes done. I have not done this in 15 years. The last time I remember doing this was my first year of uni, and that was 2007-ish, right? And I had also not started wearing contact lenses back then. Okay, so it was like me going through all that stress and like never really flaunting the lashes because I'd have to wear glasses. I've heard so many things. I've heard that the technique has changed. I've heard that technology has helped this. I've heard that the products have also changed. So things have changed and I'm excited. The lash tech that I'm going to, Maz heavily recommended. So we're going to Lekki Phase 1. That's where this lash tech stays. I've also given the length that I want for this a lot of thought. I don't want it too long because then I think it will look out of place on my face when I don't have makeup on. And I don't want it too short because I feel like then it will look out of place on my face when I have makeup on. Does that make sense? I just want something kind of in between. I've also seen that there are different things now, hybrid, cat eye, this, that. I just want to look bomb at the end of it. So I'm going to discuss with the lash tech before we start. But I really hope that when you guys see me, like when I'm done with this, that I'm as excited as I am excited now. So let's go.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time. When you say you want me for life, was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya. You're the one I want and I love ya, no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else.
I don't know why I'm there for the phone. I want to see it. Is it heavy? So we just followed my natural eye shape. Can I sit up? Guys, I'm out. This is what the lashes look like. I don't know the last time I had lashes on my face without makeup on. Like, I barely ever do this. I've been told that it looks really nice, and I think that it does. It's just that I'm just not used to my face looking like this. Looking at it now, I don't think it looks bad. I can't even remember what this shape is called. But I think it was like a cat eye. It kind of winged out a little bit on the ends, I think. And I kind of went for like a medium length, right? I'll tell you guys how I feel about it in the morning. But looking at it, I actually don't think it looks bad now that I've picked my camera up. It wasn't actually uncomfortable. The process is way different from what I remember this to be. Nothing is poking my eyes. It kind of feels really comfortable. So let me get home, or I might give it to tomorrow and then talk to you guys again. But yeah, I got these done. I also asked them, like, if I didn't like it, if I give it a week and I didn't like it, can I come and take it off ASAP? And they were like, yeah, you can come and take it off. So we'll see. I'm going to call Norma actually. Let me call Norma because I've kind of showed these lashes to Susan, and Susan swears that it looks so good, that she likes it so much. Let me call my sister and ask her because she doesn't look bad looking at you on FaceTime now. Norma, do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. No problem. That's all I wanted to find out. Thank you.
Pay me money. You have
Get
to
out.
pay me money for this.
Please get out. Let me hear word. Rubbish. Can you hear me?
I see you.
What?
See, I can hear and see you clearly.
See, I got my lashes done and I don't know if I like it. What do you think?
I didn't even know you put lashes. It looks very natural.
That's a good thing, right?
Okay.
I've been so worried, like...
Have you done it before? It's
No!
fine. Where did you get it done? It's fine.
Somewhere in Lekki. It looks good. Like, the lash tech was really, really nice. So this is not even about her work. It's about me and whether or not I like it.
It's fine. It's fine. It doesn't look out of place. It just looks... Honestly, if you didn't say, I won't know.
Okay, that's good. That's
It's
good.
very good.
That's good. That's good. Okay, thank you for your feedback.
I don't know at all.
That's good. That's good. That's good. I'll call you back. Thanks. Bye. So, Phaedra likes it. Babe,
How can I help you?
you know I'm recording and I need people to see that this is how Christabel talks to me. There is no hello. There's no my darling, how are you? Chrissy, I am calling you because I just got my lashes done and I don't know if I...
I don't know who told you.
You're so silly. Do you like it, Joe? I'm not like... Do you like it?
The models, you have to get used to it. If they're nice. I'm getting my first one done this next week or so.
Okay, so that's good. But do you think... Because I didn't want them too long. Do you like
They're
it?
not too long. They look quite natural, but I can see you got them done.
Okay, that's good.
Look up.
Chris, I'm going to slap your face. Listen, what do you think?
It looks nice though. I love them.
Okay, that's good. Good morning. So I wanted to chat with you guys really quickly before rounding this video up. It's just about these lashes and how I feel about them now and what to expect and what I think the pros and cons are. So I like them quite a lot now. I think that they suit my face really well. I think that the shape that I went for, like, you know, really, really good. I think that initially yesterday, like, just because I'm not used to wearing lashes when I don't have makeup on, you know, it kind of looked, there was this newness to it. So I quite like them now. To be honest, these are kind of the lightest lashes I've ever had on my eyes. Like, these are lighter to me, the fullness and length and everything that I have, they're lighter than strip lashes, and that says something, okay? I love them. I think that the lash tech did an incredible job. Okay, and I understand now why Maz like really rated her highly. I think that her work is really good. So the pros. First is that this is convenient. Super, super convenient. I get why people are obsessed with it. I get why some people do it all the time. Two, if you're like traveling for a trip, and because most of the time when you go on vacations, like nobody has time to start like doing a lot when it comes to makeup. Like your lashes are already done and it gives you just kind of elevates your look, you know, because for some people it's like go without like lashes if it has to be strip lashes, or you know, just waste a lot of time applying strip lashes. This is just the perfect solution to that. If I'm traveling for vacation, to be honest, I think I'll probably get these done again because I understand how it's just going to speed things up for me a lot. Two is that, I don't know if I already said this, I think I already did, but this is so convenient, right? Like if you're someone who has to get up in the morning and go and you don't even have time for makeup at all, this just kind of makes it look like you've done something extra to your face when you've actually not. If you're also into waking up in the morning, like rolling out of bed and looking put together, this is one of those like installs that I think helps with that. Okay, these lashes are so light. Okay, so light. Like I've looked at it from the top and I've looked at it from the bottom. Back in the day when they used to do these lashes, or when the ones I said in the beginning that I used to do in Enugu, they'll put it from the bottom, but on top they don't put any work into covering it and making it look like these lashes are growing out of your lids. Guys, I can't even see where my natural lashes start and end. That's how good this was. So I'm going to highly recommend Amara. If you want to get these done, I'll leave her details in the description box. Very, very good. The cons, however, I would say that if you're like me and you do not like anything foreign on your body, aside like maybe, because if you have braids, I don't really consider braids foreign. But if you do not like it when you feel like you have like anything foreign on yourself, on your body when you're sleeping, then you might not necessarily like this. I learned new things about myself last night just by sleeping with these. Like, I didn't even know that I would sleep and put my face smack on the pillow while I sleep. You know, like if you sleep a bit rough or chaotic like me, then this might just make you a bit uncomfortable. You know, if you're also someone who's just kind of used to rubbing your face or having like just going over your eye area without encountering anything, you're in for a shock. Okay, when you do that unconsciously. The feeling I think I have with this is very similar to what I'd say I get with lace frontals. You know, when I have lace frontals on, I feel like I can't sleep well until I take them off. And that's the reason why I hardly ever do them. If you guys have noticed, like I do them and within a day or two, I take them off. It does not matter what glue, bold hold, got to be. The feeling is the same. And that's kind of what I'm getting with this. Like it's something, because I'm used to having this on my eyes and taking it off before going to bed, because I wear lashes quite a lot. It's like my brain is trying to adjust to the fact that this one does not come off before you go to bed. So that's it. So I might not have this on for long. I might take it off today. I might take it off tomorrow. I might take it off in 3-4 days. And not because I don't like the lashes, but because if I wear it this night and I feel like I need to sleep the way that I'm used to, then I might take them off. But that would be my only reason, right? 2 is that, like, if you like experimenting with makeup looks, or if you're like a hardcore like makeup fan like I am, you will know that like liner and lashes kind of finish up the look. Depending on how you line your eyes, you can alter your eye shape. The type of lashes that you use can also give the illusion that your eye shape is different, or alter your eye shape. No, I won't say alter, but like, yeah, give the illusion that your eye shape is different. Certain lashes can make your eyes look a lot more open. Certain ones can make you look very like slinky and sexy and all of that. With this, you're kind of locked into a particular style and you have to do your makeup based on that. So if you're someone who isn't, you know, you want to like do more and more and more and just kind of explore different looks throughout the week, you might not necessarily like this, is all. But these are the only cons. Is there another con? Oh, the last thing is also that just know that like you will not wash your face 24 hours after you get this done. Like if you're an avid face washer like I am, if you're an avid face washer like I am, or if you have oily skin, and people like me who have oily skin, I feel like we are compelled to want to wash the grease and oil off at the end of the day. And I had to hold myself and use my micellar water to kind of wipe my face when I came back yesterday, but just for a day. But then also, I also learned from people who have done this before that you're not as vigorous like with washing your face as you typically would be, you know, because obviously there's glue, there's something holding these in, and you don't want them to kind of come off really quickly. But that's it. All in all, I dig these and I get why they are a thing. And I would highly recommend this if you're after convenience, you're after ease, you're traveling and you do not want to spend a lot of time applying strip lashes. This is definitely the way to go. Okay, that's it. I wanted to make sure that I talked to you guys about this before ending this video. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to me if you are not yet subscribed. I'll see you guys in my next one.